morning, viewers. We have with us Mr. B.N. Reddy. He is the CEO of Carden Survey Company Limited. He has come here to officially measure the height of the record Mallika mango tree. The procedure we are going to follow, I will explain. We are going to use a standard tape and take the measurement right from the bottom of the tree up to the second floor compound parapet wall. From here we will place a rod attached to the tape and then place the rod over the parapet and take it all the way up until the tip coincides with the mango tree tip. Whatever is the measured height, that will be added to this height. This is approximately about 28.5 feet, plus that whatever the 12 feet or 14 feet will be added to that. That is the method followed. I will now show the video from the bottom where the zero of the tape will be shown, and all the way up the tape video will be shown, and I will come back here and take the video of the exact measurement at the parapet height. This is the procedure. This is the Mallika mango tree stem at the ground level. I am placing the tape exactly at the tip of the at the ground level, and now we are taking it all the way up. Mr. Reddy is holding the tape all the way up there. And what is the measurement, sir? 27 feet 11 inches. I will go on the second floor terrace and take the tape measurement from there. This is the height of the parapet from the ground level. From there we will attach the tape to the long rod, and the tip of the rod coinciding with the tip of the mango tree will be taken as the additional height to be added to this 27 feet 11 inch. So that is the procedure we are going to follow. I am going up now. What we have done is, this is a 12 feet rod. The tape is attached to the 12 feet rod. The tip of the rod exactly coincides with the tip of the mango tree at the top. From the top up to this parapet height, which was measured as 27.11, is measured here. So from here the tape measurement is shown in the video. Now I will go on the overhead tank area, and from there I will take the video of the tip of the tree coinciding with the tip of the I am climbing up the ladder leading to the overhead tank. From here you can see that the tip of the rod is coinciding with the tip of the mango tree. So whatever is the height, ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು ಸರ್ ಅದು?
height ನಾನು ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ.
zoom it.
ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ zoom ಮಾಡಿ.
And zooming, that turns out to be 40 feet 3 inch. 40 feet 3 inch is the total height of the Mallika mango tree. Soil ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ 40 feet 3 inch ಅಂತ.
This is 40 feet 3 inches.
From the ground
It is coinciding with the tip of the tree. You can check it here. So I am zooming it again to show the reading. 40 feet 3 inches.
I am Professor Dr. S. Ramesh Babu. Today is 17th June 2021. We are here at my residential garden at Tata Nagar, located at number 201 6th Cross. We have a very special Mallika mango tree which has grown to a gigantic height of exceeding the 4-story building. So today we have with us Dr. A.N. Sringeshwar, who is the curator of Mahatma Gandhi Botanical Garden of GKVK Bangalore. He has come here to authenticate the record. Right now Dr. Sringeshwar is taking the girth of the tree at the standard 1 meter 37 centimeters from the ground level, and the girth is measurement is being taken. The girth measures to be exactly
1 meter 1 centimeter.
This is exactly 1 meter 1 centimeter. So this is the girth. In terms of feet, this is 3 feet 4 inches. This is 3 feet 4 inch girth. This is the at the bifurcation of the main stem at 1 meter 37 centimeters, and the main stem is proceeding further, and then it bifurcates at the top, and it has got a very huge canopy of almost about 25 feet canopy that we will take from the terrace. Right now Dr. Sringeshwar is examining the health of the tree at the ground level. Several branches here, as you can see, they have all been pruned. Here one, and another branch here, and there is another one there which had a very huge branch. Unfortunately, due to rain, it was due to the stormy winds, it was broken. But still the main stem has remained healthy, and the branches on top are all quite healthy, and they have stayed together. ಇದು ಇಂಚಿನಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್. ಹಾಂ, we have Mr. Kirtinidhi. He is the director of Oneness Nursery. He has come here to authenticate the record Mallika mango tree. Yesterday we have taken the height certified by the CEO of a surveying company. The height was measured to be exactly 40 feet 3.5 inch. Today Mr. Kirtinidhi has come to take the measurement of the girth at the bottom of the tree, which is just sir exactly
39.5 39
which is 3 feet
3 feet 9 inches
3 feet 9.5 inch is the
is the girth.
3 feet.
This is 3 feet
This is 3 feet,
and this is 9 inches.
9.5 inch is the diameter. So we will note down the girth at the bottom. We have also taken the girth at the 1 meter 39 centimeters. Mr. Kirtinidhi will also examine the health of the tree, and based on his experience he will give his comments. Once we go to the terrace, he will have a look at the canopy, the healthy leaves, and then he will give his personal opinion.
3 feet ಇದು ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್
Ha,
3 feet 7.5 inches ಇದೆ.
3 feet 7.5 inch. Mr. Reddy is taking the diameter of the girth of the mango tree at about 1 meter height. This is 3 feet 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 3 feet 7.5 3 feet 7.5 inch.
This variety of mango is Mallika and a very good healthy tree. Really it is a very bushy tree. It looks like very green and also very healthy, and wide spreading is there from the ground to bottom, top of the everything is healthy from ground to top. Is very healthy tree.
Yes.
Really I can't see this type of tree
Ah.
in the fields also.
Oh.
Really it grows very well.
Oh.
Thank you.
Oh. ಈ ಥರ ಹೈಟು ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವೈಟ್ ಅನ್ಯೂಶುವಲ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ.
This type of trees height is very unusual.
ಓ
But I am seeing first
ಓ
in the house premises.
ಹಾಂ 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 ಹಾಂ.
In the land, it may be possible, but
ಇನ್ ದ ರೆಸಿಡೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್
in the
ಗಾರ್ಡನ್.
residential area, it's really quite good also.
ಓ ಓ
Really very nice tree.
ಹಾಂ.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಏನು ಸುಬ್ಬು?
ಇದು ಮಾವಿನ ಹಣ್ಣು, ಇದು ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾ ಮಾವಿನ ಹಣ್ಣು.
ಓಹೋ
ಇದು ನಾವು ಮೇಲೆ ಟೇಸ್ಕೋಗಿ
ಹಾಂ.
ಕಿತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಯಾರ ಮನೆದು ಇದು?
ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಮನೆದು.
ಹೌದಾ, ಕೊಂಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಲ್ವಾ? ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮರದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು? ಹಾಂ,
ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಿತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಟೆರೇಸಿಂದ. ಹಾಂ, ಇಷ್ಟೇನಾ ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದೆಯಾ ಮರದಲ್ಲಿ?
ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದೆ.
ಹಾಂ, ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ತೆಗಿಯೋದು ಮತ್ತೆ?
ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ನಮಗೆ ಕೈಗೆ ಸಿಗಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಹೌದಾ, ಹ್ಞೂ ಸರಿ. ಹಾಂ, ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀನೇ ಕಿತ್ತಾ? ನಿಂಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟನಾ ಮಾವಿನ ಹಣ್ಣೆಲ್ಲ ಕೀಳೋಕ್ಕೆ? ಹಾಂ, ತೋರಿಸು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೈನಲ್ಲಿರೋದು. ಓಹೋ ಹ್ಞೂ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಯಿ ಇದೆ, ಹಣ್ಣಾಗಲ್ವಾ?
ಹಣ್ಣಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಹಣ್ಣು?
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ
ಏನದು?
ಇದೆ ಹುಲ್ಲಿದೆಲ್ಲ
ಹಾಂ ಸರಿ,
ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡಬೇಕು. ಇದೆ
ಆ ಥರ ಇಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಹಾಂ, ಆ ಥರ ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈ ಥರ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
ಹೌದಾ? ಮತ್ತು ಇದನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇಡಿ, ಒಂದು 4 ಇಡಿ,
ಇದನ್ನು
ನೋಡಬೇಕು.
ಹೀಗೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್. ಹೌದಾ? ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಹಣ್ಣು?
5 days ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಹೌದಾ, 5 ಡೇಸ್ಗೆ ಆಗತ್ತಾ? ನಾನು ಒಂದು 15 ಡೇಸ್ ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡೆ.
15 days ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಆಗತ್ತಾ? ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹಣ್ಣಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸಿಹಿಯಾಗಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರತ್ತಾ ಅಥವಾ ಹುಳಿ ಇರುತ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾ ಮಾವಿನ ಹಣ್ಣು?
ತಿಂದರೆ ಹುಳಿಯಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಹಣ್ಣು ಆದಮೇಲೆ ತಿಂದರೆ ಯಮ್ಮಿಯಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ.
ಹಾಂ ಸರಿ ಸರಿ ಸರಿ.
ಈಗ ನಾವು ಇಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ.
ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ, ಇಡಿ 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 ಇಡಿ. ಒಂದಕ್ಕೊಂದಕ್ಕೆ ತಾಕಬಾರ್ದು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ?
ಹಾಗೆ ಫುಲ್ ಐತೆ ಈ ಥರ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
ಹಾಂ ಸರಿ ಸರಿ, ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಿ.
ಇದಾಯಿತು. ಈಗ
ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ, ಇಡಿ 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 ಇಡಿ.
ಹಾಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಹಣ್ಣಾಗಲ್ಲ.
ಹಾಂ, ಕೀಳೋವಾಗ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಬಿದ್ದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸೀಳೋಗತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಸುಬ್ಬು?
ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ತಿನ್ನಲ್ಲ.
ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾವಿನ ಹಣ್ಣು ತಿನ್ನೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲಲ್ವ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬದಲು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ತಿಂತೀರಾ? ಗೊಜ್ಜು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ?
ಗೊಜ್ಜು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಚಟ್ನಿ,
ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಉಪ್ಪಿನಕಾಯಿ.
ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
ಓ ಸರಿ ಸರಿ.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಇದನ್ನು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡು, ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡು.
ಇನ್ನೂ ಅಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ.
ಹಾಂ, ಅದನ್ನು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿಡುವಂತೆ.
ಆಯ್ತು, ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು.
ಹಾಂ.
ಇದು ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಬೌಲಿ ದೊಡ್ಡದು.
ಓಹೋ ಹೋ ಹೋ ಹೋ.
ದಪ್ಪು ಮಾವಿನ ಹಣ್ಣು ನೋಡಿ.
ಹಾಂ ಸರಿ 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 ಸರಿ. ಹಾಂ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸುಬ್ಬು.